I am here accompanied by my fellow lawyers, Senior Counsel Otiende Molo, and learned friend Mr. Ndegwa. And I think it is clear to all and sundry that we are coming here on account of my colleague, His Excellency Governor Simba Arati. As you know, Simba Arati, our governor, has been operating in Kisii under very difficult circumstances. And we believe that there is constant harassment, intimidation, and persecution meted against Governor Arati. The worst of them all, and I'm clear those who are active in the social media already have seen a clip that is also in the hands of the police. And we have handed a copy of that clip to the police also this morning and this afternoon, where a police officer, a CCIO in Kisii, is recorded giving instructions and giving insights into how guns, firearms, and other things are going to be planted on Governor Arati. Partly is to make sure that Governor Arati is not given the space to undertake his duties as governor of Kisii. And secondly, it is a scheme to bring false charges, fabricated charges. And thirdly, to make up a case against Simba Arati. And we believe from the evidence we have seen so far that even in that scheme, Governor Arati's life is in danger. It's not just about persecution by the system, but we believe that his life is in danger. We have given a formal complaint in writing, signed by Governor Arati, and that complaint, the basis of which is abuse of office and giving false information to a person in the public service with the aim of committing a felony in which respect was going to be taken against Governor Arati. We are not sure that the police are going to undertake the assurances that they have given us, but they have told us, one, they are going to take action, and secondly, they are going to make a public statement assuring the public that they are going to take action on the basis of this report we have made today, and also giving assurance to the life and security of Simba Arati. That awaits to be seen. But what has been happening in Kisii, where institutions of the state and people serving in the current government mobilizing assets and resources against Governor Arati, that must really come to an end. And if it cannot come to an end through official action, I am sure that the people of Kisii, the people in Kenya as a whole, are not going to take it idly without making some intervention. and those interventions we know what they could be. But we are giving the police some space with the benefit of doubt. We are giving them space to show us, to demonstrate that steps are going to be taken to investigate into this matter and also provide Simba Arati with space in which there is security and which his life will not stand endangered in the usual operations of his work as a state officer.
The formal complaint we made. This is a unique complaint. Governor Arati has lodged a complaint with the DCI against the DCI. So we want to see the action that they take, because the alternative is to take the law into our own hands. But as counsel for Governor Arati, we have lodged the complaint. They've assured us there'll be some action, so we went to await that action. So we'll give you a copy of the statement, which then you can share.
These threats, they have cost Governor Arati, our client, and they have affected his ability to execute his functions as a governor, because he can no longer stay in a place that is hostile, and the hostility is being perpetuated by the persons who are supposed to protect him. What then we are saying is that he is no longer able to execute his functions as a governor domiciled in Kisii, because that is where the threat is. So these threats are affecting the ability of the governor to execute his functions. And we are not taking them rightly, as put by Senior Counsel Jimmy Orengo and Senior Counsel Atiende Omolo. We are waiting to see what the police will do, but we are not short of options.
Now, wacha tukubaliane kwa sababu mtataka tafadhali. No, sasa nyinyi mmechelewa, tulikuwa kule. Sasa hii mtatuacha tu.